Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kalyani. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial for how to make your face look little slimmer with makeup. So today all we are going to do is contour the areas which we want to hide with a darker shade than our skin, and then highlight the area which we want to show, and the highlighting color has to be little lighter shade than our skin thing. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, I have already done the basic preparation by using the L'Oreal Hydra Fresh Antioxidant Cream as a moisturizer on my face, and I'm also done with my eye makeup. And for the lips today, I've used the Bobbi Brown Mauve Over Lip Shade. So basically the fundamental basic theory for today is we're going to create a false illusion on our face with the makeup, where we're going to contour the area which we don't want to show and then highlight the area which we want to show. So let's get started. As I mentioned, I have only used the basic moisturizer on my face. Now the next thing what I'm gonna use is the contouring part first. I'm just gonna contour the part which we want to hide, and for that today Maybelline V Face Dual Stick. So it comes with two colors, and I'm taking the darker shade for contouring the area. Basically, you have to make a fish face like this and then just highlight the area. So you're starting from your ears and coming towards your lip side, but you don't have to do it the entire thing. Not this entire thing. You have to just stop midway over here. So that's how we have to do the contouring. I'm also going to contour my forehead. So if you have a long forehead and you want to show it small, then you can just contour it a little bit more. And if you have a wide forehead and you also want to make it a little narrow, then you can also use the contouring part. I'm So here you go, girls. This is what I have done to my forehead. I'm also going to do a little bit of more highlighting on my chin areas and below my jawline. I'm also going to contour the cupid of my lips so that I can show my lips a little bit more plumber. But this is totally optional step. If you want, you can skip this as well. Now my favorite is the nose area. I'm gonna just contour this a bit. So basically I've just drawn two lines. I'm not doing anything more to the nose. We are just going to properly blend it. I'm just going to recheck all the areas. So for foundation today, I'm using two brands. One is L'Oreal True Matched and the other one is the Lakme 925. So I'm going to combine this both and I'm going to mix it and use it. So basically, please remember the contouring shade, whatever you have used on your face, that should be a little darker than your natural skin color. And the foundation, what you're going to use should be lighter than your skin color and the contour color. That's how we'll have the contrast. So when I combine these two products, it really gives me a very good shade, which is absolutely lighter than my current skin shade, and I totally love it. Okay, so I have just added the foundation to my skin, and all I'm gonna do is now blend it. I'm gonna blend it with a proper brush today. So yeah, I've blended the foundation, but I've not blended the nose part. I have left it, undone deliberately. I'm just gonna do it at the end when I'm doing the contouring blending, and I have not done the application of the foundation properly. That too is deliberate because I want to add some more lighter shade to my skin. So for the first thing, what I'll use is a concealer corrector. For that, I'm again using the Maybelline Dual Face Stick. Guys, I just totally love this stick. It has dual shade. It acts as a contour and a concealer. It's a must thing in your makeup set. Do buy this. So for the color corrector, I'm just going with the lighter shade. Normally, I just use it under my eyes, which is a more darker area, and on the eyelids. But today, I've already done my eye makeup. I'm definitely going to use it under my eyes, but I'm also going to use it on the rest of my face so that I get one more lighter shade. So all I'm going to do is, just make little triangles with the stick. Yeah, so I'm done with the application. Now I'm just going to blend it properly. Okay guys, so I'm done with the application of the concealer, and now I think I'll just go ahead and blend this contour which is there on my face from a very long time. So let's get started. All you have to do is when you're blending the contour, you have to do it to the upper side. You're going to blend like this, or not going to take it to the lower end. You have to blend it to the upper side. I just thought I'll use another brush. If you want, you can use the same brush as well. So for the blush today, I'm going with the Wet n Wild Illuminating Palette. So I'm going to use this first shade today. So at the end, I'm just going to set everything with the Lakme 9 to 5 Compact. In this, I'm just going to highlight a couple of more areas of my face with the MAC Mineralizer. Okay guys, we are finally done. I'm really happy with the way this look has come up all together, and I think I have managed well to make my face look little more slimmer with the makeup stuff, and be happy about it. Thank you so much for watching me. I'll see you all in my next video. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this look, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Take care. Bye bye.